friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 25th tutorial of probability chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session we discussed about 12th sum of probability and in that exercise 15.1, and in this session we will discuss about 13th sum from that. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, exercise 15.1 in that 13th sum. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's 13th sum. In question number 1, exercise 15.2, you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood groups of 30 students of a class. Means total outcomes 30. Use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected a random has blood group AB. So for possible outcomes, we should check here table, and for that AB blood group and number of students are 3. So total number of students equals to 30, total outcomes 30. And for possible outcomes, number of students who has blood group AB equals to 3, which is given in table. Yes. So possible outcomes equals to 3. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 3 divided by 30 equals to 1 upon 10, because 3 tens are 30. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye-bye.